Good morning, students. So on 27 we have our worksheet 2. ठीक है? So worksheet 2 हमारी 27 को है. So we will revise the chapters 20 to 25. Is it clear? Chapter number 20 to 25. We will revise these chapter once again. Let's we start. So the first is women part. Chapter जो है ये हम करवाएंगे. First question is, who became the first women pilot for the Indian Navy on December 2, 2019? Sub Lieutenant Shivangi. Okay. So next question is from Saransh. I don't know how is he sitting or lying on the bed.
Yes, ma'am.
Saransh, said properly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So your question is, who became the first women flight engineer of Indian Air Force?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Who became the first women flight engineer of Indian Air Force? I'll give you the option. Hina Jaiswal, Hima Das, Aparna Kumar, Duti Chand.
Ma'am, first option कौन सा था?
First is Hina Jaiswal. Hina Jaiswal.
Ma'am, Hina Jaiswal.
Okay, Hina Jaiswal is the correct answer. Yes, very good. Okay, so Ekam, switch on your camera.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
हाँ जी, so Ekam आपका क्वेश्चन है, name the instrument used to measure temperature of a body. Hurry up.
Thermometer.
Next question is, it is the longest dam in India.
Hirakud Dam.
Hirakud Dam. Third question is, what is the name of the closest star to the earth?
Sun.
Ekam.
The sun.
Sun. Very good, beta. Very good. Very good. So now, yes, come, Jigar, come here. Come here. Come here. I'll ask question from you. Come here. Hurry up, hurry up. Hurry up. Stand here. Now Jigar will give the answer. जल्दी जल्दी दीजिए ताकि सबकी टर्न आ जाए. आगे आइए. What does your heart pump? Blood. Blood. Okay. Next question is, who wrote the book Frog and Todd? Who wrote the book Frog and Todd? Option दूंगी आपको. Ruth Krauss, Arnold Lobel, E.B. White. E.B. White is right? No. Yes, this is wrong. The correct answer is Arnold. So दो questions में से one wrong हो गया जिगर का. Third question is, the largest freshwater lake. Largest freshwater lake. Hurry up. Option: Caspian Sea, Buller Lake, Chilka Lake. Buller Lake is correct answer. Go. So, जिगर ने 3 क्वेश्चंस में से 2 के आंसर दिए हैं, वो भी ऑप्शन के साथ. और व्हेन आई एम आस्किंग फ्रॉम द ऑफलाइन स्टूडेंट, आप आंसर नहीं सेंड करोगे ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट, अदरवाइज वो आंसर देख सकते हैं, तो वहां पे मेरी फिर आप लोगों को जो है वो चीटिंग हो जाएगी। नाउ नेक्स्ट इज सोहम। सोहम, सोहम,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so Soham, your question is, who is the founder of Microsoft Corporation? Microsoft Corporation. No response. चलिए, so next question is, how many bones are there in human skull? How many bones are there in human skull? सोहम, आपने म्यूट क्यों किया बेटा खुद को?
206 bones.
Wrong, wrong. Third question, person with which blood group are called universal donors?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Persons with which blood group are called universal donors? So no answer.
Ma'am, true.
ये true false है?
Ma'am, true.
मैं पूछ रही हूँ आपसे बेटा। चलिए, okay, no response. Now Ashima will come. Yes, yes, come. Come. Why you people are making noise then? Cheshire, come and stand up. That's fine. I know you are also. Stand here. See there. Okay. So for Cheshta, the question is, the mysterious state ball is written by. The mysterious state ball is written by. Okay, I will give you option. Eric Carle, Stephen Kellogg, E.B. White. Yes, Stephen Kellogg is the correct answer. Now, who won Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1968? Who won Nobel Prize in Medicine in 1968? Yeah, again you want option. S. Chandrasekhar, Hargobind Khurana, C.V. Raman. Who won Nobel Prize in Medicine? The option in 1968, and the options are C.V. Raman, Hargobind Khurana, S. Chandrasekhar. Speak loudly. You're not Hargobind Khurana. Okay. So the next question, last question. जिसमें से दो में चेष्टा ने ऑप्शन लिए हैं. Now the next question is, the longest river bridge in India. Longest river bridge in India. Again you want option. Again she want option. So options are Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Next is Siachen Setu or Ganga Setu. So no wrong answer. Answer is Bhupen Hazarika Setu. Now, yes, Vinisha. Am I audible, Vinisha? मुझे सुनाई नहीं दे रहे हो विनीशा, अनम्यूट करो खुद को, अनम्यूट करो। अनम्यूट करो। ओके अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, ठीक है, इट्स ओके, अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा है। नाउ नेक्स्ट आई वांट विनीशा, साक्षी, साक्षी, साक्षी।
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
Yes, ma'am.
कैमरा स्विच ऑन योर कैमरा। चलिए अब साक्षी की टर्न है क्वेश्चन के लिए। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द प्रोसेस बाय विच ग्रीन प्लांट्स मेक देयर ओन फूड।
Photosynthesis.
Very good. Who is asking you now? Next question is, when it is very cold, the dew drops and surface water freeze into crystals called ash.
Frost.
Very good, frost. Without option, she is giving me answer. Next question is, it is a holy river of India. People worship it.
Ganga.
Very good, excellent, beta. All the three answers you have given me without options. Without options. Now, yes, Mark, come and stand here. Hurry up. Hurry up. आगे आगे। Question है, who won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983? Who won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1983? चलिए, I will give you options. S. Chandrasekhar, Kailash Satyarthi, C.V. Raman. No, wrong answer. He is saying C.V. Raman. Correct answer was S. Chandrasekhar. Next question is, it is the second highest waterfall in India. The second highest waterfall in India. Options: Niagara Fall, Jog waterfall, Angel waterfall. Jog is the correct answer. Next question is, who is the author of 7 fantasy books of the Harry Potter series? Now this is easy one. This is very easy. Then why you are saying ki offline students ko you are asking the tough question? This is very easy. This is very easy. How many times I have repeated this question? Chaliye, Smart doesn't know the answer. The answer is J.K. Rowling. Okay. So offline students, they are complaining कि मैम आप online से you are asking very easy question. चलिए गौरिका मक्कड़, गौरिका मक्कड़, बेटा आपने ऑफ क्यों कर लिया, म्यूट क्यों कर लिया दोबारा? चलिए
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, तो आपका क्वेश्चन है, who wrote the book The Tale of Peter Rabbit? The Tale of Peter Rabbit. I'll give you the options. Number 1, Beatrix Potter. Number 2, Margaret Wise Brown. Number 3, Ruskin Bond.
Ruskin Bond.
Wrong answer. Next question is, who won Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930? And the options are C.V. Raman, S. Chandrasekhar, Kailash Satyarthi.
C.V. Raman.
Very good, C.V. Raman. Next question is, it is defined as a cloud which reduces visibility to less than 1 kilometer. This is often observed in winters.
Fog.
Yes, fog. So, the correct answer now Harveer will come. He's very excited. Okay. Your question is, who wrote the book Seven Little Postmen? Who wrote the book Seven Little Postmen? Options are Margaret Wise Brown.
Margaret Wise Brown.
Yes, Margaret Wise Brown. Next is, who won Nobel Prize for Peace in 2014? Mother Teresa, Kailash Satyarthi, या Kailash Satyarthi. Okay, now the next question is, in cold region, water falls from clouds as ice crystals or group of, yes, no, very good. Very good.
And these were not.
These are not difficult. Harshita. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
चलिए, now it's Harshita's turn. Question is, the removal of topsoil by water or wind is called dash.
Can you repeat the question?
The removal of topsoil by water or wind is called dash.
Soil erosion.
Who asked you? Who asked you? Yes, Harshita, repeat the answer.
Soil erosion.
Yes, very good. Soil erosion. Your next question is, the largest canal in India flows through Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan. Largest canal which flows through Punjab, Haryana and Rajasthan.
Indira Gandhi Canal.
Yes, Indira Gandhi Canal. Now the next question is, who at the age of 19 won the FIFA Young Player Award? Ashita, सुनाई दिया बेटा? Who won
Yes.
the FIFA Young Player Award 2018? आप बुक में से देख रहे हो?
No.
हाँ, तो फिर नीचे क्या देख रहे हो? सीधे देखो मैम की तरफ. चलिए, ऑप्शन दूं आपको?
Yes.
यस, तो ऑप्शन है रोनाल्डो, किलियन एम्बाप्पे, जेफ बेजोस.
Kylian Mbappe.
यस, किलियन एम्बाप्पे. वेरी गुड. So next is Sandeep. Sandeep. Sandeep, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now your question is, which is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Which is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Anji?
Nitrogen.
Very good, nitrogen. Okay. Next question is, this freshwater lake is situated in Jammu and Kashmir.
Wooler Lake.
Very good. Third is, who won Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Who won Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979? चलिए, I will give you option: Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore और S. Chandrasekhar.
Ma'am, question फिर से बोलिए।
Who won Nobel Prize for Peace in 1979? Mother Teresa, Rabindranath Tagore.
मदर टेरेसा।
Yes, Mother Teresa. You have taken. आपने बहुत टाइम लिया सांझ। आइए कार्तिकम। चलिए। So question for Kartik is J.K. Rowling is the writer of Dash series. J.K. Rowling is the writer of Dash series. Very easy बेटा। अब इसके तो मैं ऑप्शन भी नहीं दूंगी, otherwise it's very easy. चलिए मैं आपको ऑप्शन दे देती हूँ because you are taking the Mysterious Stateful, Harry Potter, Seven Little Postmen. Harry Potter, but ये तो बहुत easy था. Still you have taken a time. अभी ये question मैं पूछ के भी हटी थी. Next question is online students you are giving answers or he can read answers from here. वो answer read कर सकता है. So don't give answer when I am asking from offline student. What is the name of scientific instrument used to measure atmospheric pressure? Thermometer, barometer, Richter scale. Barometer, yes. चलिए move. So कार्तिक को आंसर आते नहीं थे, was not confident in giving his answers. Yes, your question is longest river of India.
मैम गंगा।
Very good. Next question is the highest mountain peak in India.
मैम कंचनजंगा।
Very good. Next question is the intensity of earthquake is measured on dash.
मैम प्लीज रिपीट।
The intensity of earthquake is measured on dash. I will give you option: Richter scale, barometer, thermometer.
मैम बैरोमीटर।
बैरोमीटर एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है बेटा, तो आंसर क्या है? रिक्टर स्केल. ओके, मुझे तो लगा था मैंने बहुत इजी ऑप्शंस दे दिए. चलिए, वेरी गुड आंसर. जैस्मीन, she want to give the answer, but yes, जैस्मीन करो unmute. जैस्मीन करो अनम्यूट बेटा खुद को. फिर आपकी वॉइस में हमेशा ही प्रॉब्लम होती है बेटा, वॉइस कभी भी ऑडिबल नहीं होती है. हाउ कैन आई आस्क यू क्वेश्चन नाउ? एकम आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछा है पहले मैंने, आपकी टर्न हो चुकी है. आई थिंक अगमजोत, आज अगमजोत. ओके, अगमजोत आपके लिए क्वेश्चन है. Who wrote Stuart Little? Stuart Little. Options are E.B. White, Arnold Lobel, Ruth Krauss.
मैम रुद्र क्राउस।
No, wrong answer. Ruth Krauss is wrong. Next question is who was the first Asian scientist to win the Nobel Prize? And options are C.V. Raman, Ravindranath Tagore, S. Chandrasekhar. First Asian scientist.
मैम फर्स्ट ऑप्शन क्या थी?
C.V. Raman, उसके बाद रविंद्रनाथ टैगोर एंड यस बेटा
मैम सीवी रमन.
C.V. Raman, but you are not so confident. Yes, C.V. Raman is the correct answer. चलिए, 2 questions are enough now. हाँ जी सरगुन, yes, सरगुन is continually messaging me. मैम मुझसे सुनो, बोलिए सरगुन.
यस मैम.
Okay, so आपके क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट इज on reaching a certain height, water vapor condenses to form it. You can
क्लाउड.
very good, cloud. Okay, आपसे मैं पता पीछे पीछे से पूछ रही हूँ क्योंकि अब मेरे पास क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो चुके हैं. Now, Hyderabad is famous for
पर्ल्स.
very good pearl. Now, next question is, which is the largest market for diamond polishing and cutting?
सूरत.
Okay, चलिए good. एकम आपकी टर्न आई तो है बेटा, अभी तो आपकी टर्न आई, सबसे पहले आई ना आपकी टर्न, आई थी एकम. ओके चलो 2 क्वेश्चन मैं और सुन लेती हूँ इससे, अदरवाइज कंटिन्यूली मैसेज कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो क्वेश्चन इज मकराना इज फेमस फॉर
filigree work.
Makrana is famous for marbles, not filigree work. Next is, it can walk on land but lives mostly in the ocean.
Otter.
Yes, very good. Very good. Now the next question is, who became first Indian to win a badminton world championship? चलिए कोई बात नहीं, चलिए बेटा, हैव अ नाइस डे.